If you're new to investing or just looking for a reliable brokerage platform, you've likely heard of Degiro. In this video, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about Degiro based on my real experience using it as my broker. We'll explore the main features, how it works, and what sets it apart from other platforms on the market today. Let's start with an overview of Degiro's service. As an international, low-cost online brokerage, Degiro offers access to a wide range of global markets, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and more. One of its key advantages is the incredibly low fees compared to traditional brokers. You'll notice that Degiro charges very little in commission, making it ideal for investors looking to keep costs down. The platform itself is user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for beginners, but experienced traders will also find plenty of tools to use. On the flip side, there are a few drawbacks. For example, Degiro does not offer forex trading or cryptocurrency options, which could be a downside for those interested in more advanced, diverse portfolios. Additionally, while the platform offers a wide range of markets, some users may find its customer service to be lacking, particularly for quick responses to urgent queries. Now, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Let's get back to Degiro. One standout feature of Degiro is the pricing model. It's highly transparent, with no hidden fees. You only pay for the trades you make, and there are no account maintenance charges, making it an appealing choice for both frequent traders and those who prefer a more hands-off approach. In terms of security, Degiro is regulated by top-tier authorities, like the Dutch Central Bank, and complies with strict European regulations, which adds a layer of trust. Another area where Degiro shines is in its education resources. If you're new to investing, you'll find guides and tutorials available to help you get started. The platform also integrates useful research tools for in-depth analysis, which are especially helpful when making informed investment decisions. However, there are a few areas for improvement. While the fees are generally low, you will encounter additional charges for things like external trading venues or currency conversion, which can add up if you're not careful. Also, the platform doesn't offer demo accounts, so you can't practice trading without real money. That wraps up my overview of Degiro's features, pros, and cons. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.